In this video, I will show you how to add Fortnite to Steam. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So here we are. As you can see, I've currently got the Steam app open. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. Now, once you've done that, what you need to do is come down to the bottom left-hand corner and click here where it says add a game. And on the options that come up, if you look at the top, we've got an option to add a non-Steam game. So what you want to do is go ahead, give that option a click. What that's going to do is load up a window like this. Now, you're not generally going to find Fortnite in here. What you're going to want to do is come down and click onto the browse button at the bottom. And once you've done that, that's going to open up your file explorer. Now, from here, what you want to do is come to this menu on the left-hand side, click onto this PC and go into the drive where Fortnite is installed. Generally, that's going to be your C drive. And what you want to do is go into program files. It could also be in program files x86. So if you follow this and you don't see the folder we're looking for in program files, just follow the same steps. But what you want to do is go into program files x86. So for myself, it's actually just in the program files. So what I'm going to do is double click to go into the program files folder. Then what you want to do is look for the Epic Games folder. You can see mine's just down here. Double click to go into the Epic Games folder. And you should now see the folder for Fortnite. So what you want to do now is double click to go into the Fortnite folder, then double click onto the Fortnite game folder, and then double click onto the binaries folder. Then what you want to do is double click onto Win64, and in here you want to add this option here. So this app, this is Fortnite Client Win64 Shipping. Just double click and that's going to add that to Steam. What you can now do is come across to your games library and you should now see Fortnite showing up here. Now, of course, it does look a bit messy because it says Fortnite Client Win64 Shipping, but if you simply right click onto this and come and click onto properties, what you can do is change the name so we can get rid of this and just leave it as Fortnite. Then we can cross this off. You can see it just says Fortnite now. Also, you can see it's blank up here. So what you can actually do is right click onto here and you can set a custom background. So if we actually click onto set a custom background, it's going to open up our file explorer. And what you can do is use an image from the internet or something like that. So I've actually got a banner here. And what you can do is double click to add this. As you can see, it's going to add like a custom banner here. So that's how to add Fortnite to Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.